We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask from returns for to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Muln, and we're going to talk about some key levels here in today's video. But while Muln stock is going lower, the overall market has been going higher. And our SPY bot since yesterday at 6:30 p.m. sent out a bull indicator, and that actually rolled over into today, and the momentum continued, and call options were up 3 to 5x for the day, guys. We did not get a bear indicator until today in the afternoon, until 1:50 p.m. today. This is our new release that allows us to have an edge within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. And we get direct notifications over at the Discord, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator and getting connected to the SPY bot. So while Muln is going lower, the overall market was going higher. I found that very interesting, and we're going to break it all down in today's video, the key levels of support and resistance to watch. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities I mentioned this morning over at the Discord. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. We're going to jump right into it here with Muln stock and everything going on within the charts. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining you'll become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the three stocks I mentioned this morning, and 2 out of the 3 turned out to be a home run opportunity, and this is how they perform. So the first one here is AREB. We caught this one in the pre-market. It jumped up 10 to 20%, pulled back downwards towards the bell, and quickly within 5 minutes, just within one bar, it went up to a highest point of 20% plus, guys. Now, we also have here ASTS, and we caught this one in the pre-market as things were starting to pick up. It wasn't under a bull indicator just yet, but it had full strength here based off 42 vision. Got that bull indicator, and all the way up towards the bell, it went up 20% plus, guys. Then it pulled back down and quickly went back up with strength and hit a highest point of 35% plus within the first 30 minutes of the day, guys. If you guys want to know about these stocks early on in the pre-market, we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Muln stock, and Muln stock has been pulling downwards. As we saw earlier in the video, the SPY had pushed up higher and the stock is going lower. Now this is a penny stock. It is very speculative, and it is very fragile to any negative news in the markets. Like if the whole entire market is pulling downwards, it could affect it. And while the stock market's going higher, it's always going to do its own thing because it's a penny stock. It's not directly correlating to the overall market, but you still want to be aware of what other indirect issues could be causing such pullbacks, right? So right now, one of the main things is it's been holding support very strong, but we're going to pull up ultimate 42 vision, the bull and bear indicators, and we're going to see something that we did not want to see pop up. And as I'm doing this video live, you could see things are going lower based off the 30-minute, and let's pull it up. So ultimate 42 vision is the bull and bear indicators, which you can now gain access to as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicators to receive the clarity you deserve within the volatility of the markets to maximize on opportunities, whether stocks are going up or going down. So we were under a bull indicator since way down here at 76 cents. We went to highs here of 143, nearly doubled, pulled back down, and it's been struggling to hold itself up above 130, right? But it hit lows yesterday of about 103, jumped up about 30% into today's pre-market and today's highs after the bell, and things have just been pulling downwards since. And it broke through a key support here of 114 that it created today within the volatility, had no bear indicator, and a bear indicator has popped up. So does this signify that the stock is going to be bearish and it's going to continue to go lower? It doesn't always mean that. Sometimes a bear indicator can pop up and it's temporary or a fake out, but the last time it happened up here at 164, and things quickly started to shift, and we saw that dark green with red borders go into red. And the last time it happened to fake out, it was just dark green with red, and then things turned back around pretty quickly. And that's not the case here, because we've transitioned from dark green with red borders to red, and the next part is white with red borders after this transition. And here we are in the middle of it, right? So if I pull up the 4 hour, you could see as well how things are looking, right? We're shifting pretty quickly from a complete shift here, right? The only thing missing in this shift is white with red borders and white with green borders going into red with green. We went straight from red to dark green to green, and instead of continuation, we rejected yesterday's highs in the 140s, 130s, came back down, and here we are shifting and struggling to go into green and continuation. If not, we're in dark green with red borders. Now, this is the beginning of a shift to the downside, but we don't have a bear indicator, right? We still have this bull indicator actually negating this bear indicator, and this is the one holding strong. If a bear indicator does pop up anywhere above the next few bars of dark green with red borders or red, then that can signify this got negated and there's a bear indicator now dominating over the chart. But right now, this bull indicator is still holding strong, and this could be a setup, right? As I like to call it, not the setback, but if not a setup for the next bull run. But we have to watch carefully how it's doing in the 30-minute and how much of an impact rolls over into the 4 hour as well as the 1 day, because the 1 day lets us see the bigger picture. And like I've stated before, it has been under a bear indicator since way down here at $11 and some change. And one of the key metrics to know how much strength there is in this possible reversal is when things shift from red with green borders to green, and then a bull indicator popping up to negate this bear indicator. It doesn't guarantee it's going to go back up to 8, back up to 10. I know a lot of people have those high price targets. That is not guaranteed, but showing some strength, a reversal, and breaking out towards almost $2, and a bull indicator and a green bar, that could be a signal of some strength, right? Because when you go back over here, right, we're right now in the white with red and red with green borders, and the last time it happened here, it was around $7 and some change, white with red, red with green, then we got that green, right, dark green, we got that bull indicator, went into full strength, and it hit highs here of 15 and nearly doubled. So we need to see how much strength MULN can get from way down here. And this is not financial advice, as I always say. None of my videos are. I enjoy sharing the charts, and you can now gain access to these charts as well. The 42 vision indicators, bull and bear indicators, as well as the bars that shift and transition for us to see the dips and the rips, and the bull and bear indicators are there for extra confirmations. And the lower this is actually paid attention to or caught, right, closer to its 52-week low, the bigger the opportunity if it does go up. A lot of people are speculating the possibility that eventually this could actually take off, not just from a squeeze, but also from a technical point, and we need to see that bull indicator pop up. If it doesn't, there's going to be a lot of volatility the next few weeks and months as we see it. But this is the beginning of a transition, getting out from white with red borders, going into red with green, but we want to see that dark green and that bull indicator, and then this 4 hour to hold strong and not go back down and get another bear indicator. Those are the two key things we want to pay attention to based off the bigger picture. But on the 30-minute, we just went into a bear indicator. Things have continued to go lower, and the first support is down here at 103. I would just round that down to $1. If that gets broken through, the next support level will be down here at 93, and then also 88 cents way down here before even thinking about 72, 71 cents, and the 52-week lows. So super important to realize this. And another thing too to realize is we did a complete transition. We went from white with red borders, red with green borders, dark green, green full strength, volatility, green full strength, and now we're shifting right back down, and we got that bear indicator as extra layer of confirmation that things are slightly pulling downwards. Now this could be a setup for the next bull run, but it needs to hold support above $1 and also show strength within the volatility, because this bear indicator could be a fake out, or like I said, not a setback, if not a setup. But if it breaks through support levels and goes on lower, it is going to be important to watch. Are the bears dominating, or do the bulls have a chance to pull this one up another leg higher? As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.